Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel named MS Consulting and Training. This is Manoj here, and in today's video I am going to explain you what is graphology. So graphology is nothing but a scientific study of humans handwriting and its signature. So let's understand the history of this science. There are some references in our Vedic literature of analyzing human handwriting. Later, in European countries like Spain, Portugal, England, in 14th and 15th century, some efforts were made to understand human personality through humans' handwriting. The name of this science, the name graphology, it got it in some early 19th century, and mainly it got popular in countries like Germany and USA. So this is about this science. So it is nothing but in this science of graphology, we try to analyze the uh, handwriting sample of particular native along with its signature. So person's handwriting gets formed. There are two phases for any particular person. Normally, there are two phases. First phase is 0 to 7 years, and second phase is 7 years to approximately 15 to 16 years. So, in these two phases, human handwriting gets programmed whatever is personality through its brain. So, if you observe after 16 or 15 years, there is hardly any change happen in particular handwriting or any signature. So let's understand the process of the handwriting with the help of this diagram. So as you know, in our human brain there are a lot of centers are located. Some centers they control our speech, some centers they control the smell, or with that center we understand the smells around. Then there is some center in it is called the hearing center. Same way there are some centers in our brain that control our vision, that is our eyesight. So in our Vedic literature also it has been already been recorded as, and they're given the name as Panchendriyas, that means five senses. Same way, our hand movements are also being controlled by a center in our brain that is called motion center. See here, this is the motion center. So that is being controlled, that motion center controls our handwriting, whether lefty or righty, in minute seconds time. Our brain sends the messages to our hands. So this way the handwriting or signature process happens scientifically. So that is why our personality or our subconscious mind has a very deep connection with humans handwriting as well as signature. So that is the reason in Western countries handwriting is also called as mind writing or brain writing. So but there is a slight difference between the signature and human original handwriting, because signature is just a public image. That public image may not be matching with the personality, whereas your own handwriting is your own identity or your own personality that shows how your subconscious mind has been programmed. So there are some natives whose signature, that means their public image, exactly matches with their own personality. But there are some natives also, their public image is completely different than their true personality. So this we can definitely and easily understand or analyze with basis of this tool of graphology, that is scientific analysis of handwriting and signature. So let's try to understand some facts about this science. First is, with just looking at the handwriting or signature, we will not able to understand whether it is of male's native or any female native. So we cannot understand the gender. Same way we cannot understand the nationality, whether it is Japanese, whether it is Indian, or whether it is European. Same way we cannot understand the age of the native. So these are some facts about the handwriting, and same way we can, just looking at the handwriting, we cannot understand whether the person is lefty or righty. So these are the some facts about this handwriting and signature analysis. So now let's come to the benefits part or the uses of this analysis. So the first and most important use of this science is understanding yourself. We can understand with the help of this science better way. We can understand which are the areas we are lacking, or what are the bottlenecks in our personality development, or we can also understand what are the strengths and weaknesses. Then second use of this science is it helps immensely in child development. Many times it is observed in mostly in a school children has lot of phobias. They have very strained relationship with their mother or father. So that we will come to know through their handwriting sample. So it's like a x-ray of their subconscious mind. So that is why it helps immensely in understanding the psychology or the mental programming of the children. Then very important is today's world, hiring and maintaining that employee for retaining that employee for a long period is a big challenge for all the corporates as well as HR personnel. So it is a very effective tool in terms of in recruitment. With this tool, we can understand how the person's public image, whether it is matching with the true identity, is there any cheating aspects, how much this candidate is honest, what are the risk taking abilities or analytical skills this person is having, what are their problem areas. So all these things we can easily understand with the help of this science. Not only that, with handwriting analysis, we can even understand whether the person is extrovert, introvert, or whether he is having a very controlled anger, or the anger is excessive. So these all the qualities we can definitely trace through his handwriting as well as his signature sample. Then next is deciding career. Today's youth, I've seen many of the today's youth, they are totally confused. They do something, they do some professional course of one stream, and afterwards they realize no, this is not the stream they are liking from the heart. So that is why this tool of graphology, with the help of this tool, we can definitely guide the native about his or her career path. We can understand where how that person's subconscious mind has been programmed, and we can map them to particular sectors job profile. So that is why it is very effectively been used in deciding the career. Next is selecting a business partner or life partner. If you want to select a business partner or a life partner, we can understand the problem area, strengths and weaknesses, whether that life partner or business partner, whether it is having any cheating tendencies, or how much honesty is there, how much social is there, whether it is too much extrovert or too much introvert. any hiding factor is there, so that all these things can understand with the help of this while selecting business partner or life partner. And last but not the least, if you're already having a business partner, or you want to understand the mentality of your employee, or you want to understand the mental programming of your life partner, you're already married or you're already in a relationship, so definitely it will help you to reduce the conflict between the business partners or life partner or any relationship issue, because with this help of this we can understand the problem areas, the conflict areas between two. So this is all about the uses and the scientific view of this great and interesting science of graphology, that is signature and handwriting analysis. So please do like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. And if you want to do your scientific handwriting and or signature analysis, or you want to learn this great science through online way, you can drop me a text message on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.